Okay, the car is ready on the jack, and then I already put a jack stand to secure. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go under the car. This is where the oil filter located. And then when you come a little bit closer, let me put this camera angle. This is where the plug is. So we're about to drain it out. So you need a 14-inch wrench to loose the bolt. And what I'm going to do, let me just move this a little bit. All right, ready to unscrew this. I'm going to put our pin so we can let the oil drain it out. Let me use this to create more extension so the oil don't get on my hand, but it went through. All right, so let me give it time for that thing to drain. So you got the pan, and next we're gonna remove the oil filter right here. Just gonna give it a little time, and then remove that one as well. Now we're gonna remove the filter. And guys, by putting the new one, just don't tie it up too tight. Just use your hand. It's gonna be a little bit messy. Almost there. Just move the camera a little bit up so let's see what I'm doing. Alright, so at this point, just clean it up. Then you're gonna get the new filter. Like I said, tie with your hand till you won't move anymore. You don't need to use a plier. All right, now you're done. I'm gonna clean the screw that goes in there. Goes on the back right here. So what I'm gonna do, let me move this, the oil pan, and move the camera a little bit where you guys can see. And I'm gonna move this. It's the opposite. Even this, you don't need to tie it that much. Just make sure it's secure. It's not gonna come out, or because of the vibration of the engine. All right, that one is done as well. So we're done draining the oil, put a new filter in, empty everything out. So we're gonna load the car and then put the new oil in. Okay, we done load the car. This is the old oil. This is the new one we're gonna be using. So what I usually do, I'm gonna pour all this oil in the car and then use the old container to put the old one in there, so I can recycle. So let's just put this in. It's kind of smaller though. Yeah, making sure this goes in. Take your time, don't make a mess, because give a space where the air is going to circulate with the air. Everything is in. It's not enough residue down there. Just close it up. Just to check the oil level, which is still going. Yep, just where we want it. me finding more dipstick, trying to line it up. Okay, so I'm gonna use this container right here to put the old oil in there. But so far we done finish how you call it, doing oil change. And this is how you do on the Nissan Sentra 2013. So I'm just going to use a scanner pretty much to reset the oil gauge, but which you don't have to do on this car anyway. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe.